Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you a very simple way to make pockets. This is actually not my idea. I recently watched a video by Cindy. Her channel is Cynthia Dupre. I hope I'm pronouncing her name correctly. I'm gonna put a link to her video and her channel down in the description box. So she's been playing with folds to make pockets, and I've always seen people making folds and I never understand them for some reason, but when she did it I understood it, and I've been making my own pockets. So I want to show you how I modify what she did to make it a little bit different. So these are the pockets. These are 5-fold pocket, I think that's how she calls it, and you can add many things into your pockets, like in this one. So for example, here I have a tag, another little thing here, more stuff here. I'll show you exactly how we're gonna do this, and so let's get started. Okay, so for this all you need is any type of rectangular paper. I'm using this faux dyed paper. It's like a coffee dyed paper that it's 11 by 8.5. And it has a little bit more weight than regular copy paper, but I don't know exactly. It's not cardstock for sure. So all you need to do to start with is to fold this in half in the long way, like this. I'm gonna use my plastic knife as my bone folder. And then you need to fold this in thirds. And you can just do it by folding your papers like this. You want them to be, they don't have to be exact. The idea of this, that this is an easy way to make pockets without having to measure. So we're gonna do it just like that. And I'm going to crease those folds again. Okay, so now you open it, and you are gonna have 6 rectangular pieces, and now we're gonna start folding. So you want to fold the corners close to the line to your fold, but not exactly to your fold, otherwise you're not gonna be able to fold it later. So you just want to do it closer but not touching that fold line, and you're gonna create that shape there, that point. And then this, we repeat on the other side. And now we fold this like this, in the middle fold again, and we turn it around, and you put one and inside the other. I'm gonna repeat this because this is fast. You see well. So this opens, and then you put this other one over there. You can do the other one and you're done. This is it. This is all you need to do. And I'm gonna grab a piece of ephemera. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 pockets. So this is too big for that pocket. And then if you glue this on your page only on 3 sides, you can have a 6th pocket. I'm going to show you another one. So here you can cut a little thumb notch if you want, so that you know where the pocket is. And I inked all the edges so that you know, but you can still not tell that there are 2 pockets here, right? So what I did was to fold it a little bit different, so that now you can have those pockets very well shown. So the fold, it's a tiny bit different. I'm going to show you how I did that. And then you can further decorate it. I put some washi tape, and so if I take all of this out, you can see that it's more clear to see where the pockets are. So now we have 1, 2, 3. Well, I should have started by the back one. That one is easy. 4, 5, and again, if you glue it, you can even leave a side tack like this in your journal page. Very nice and easy. So I'll show you this modified fold, and then we're gonna decorate it. So again, we're gonna fold in half in the long side. We crease it very nicely, and then we fold in thirds. You can measure if you want, you don't have to. See, this is not perfect there, but it's gonna be okay. Let me crease a little bit more. And so now when we open it, we have again our third rectangle, 3 rectangles, or they're not squares. And on this side, which is my left side, I'm gonna do the fold a little bit different. So if I show you again this one, they are pretty much folded the same way. The difference that we're gonna do now is that you fold the right side the same way we did the other one, so as close as the fold line as you want, but not touching the fold line. And the other one, it's gonna be farther away from that fold line, so it's gonna be shorter. So can you see that difference? That's the main difference. So they're not even. This one is shorter than this side. So we're gonna repeat again. The right side, it's gonna be closer to the fold line, but the left side, we're gonna leave a bigger space. I would say it's like a finger, what I'm leaving there. Okay, so now when we fold it, we're gonna fold the long sides this way, and you can see that these are shorter, so you can see the other part. And you're going to fold it like this, so that the short fold that we had there, it's visible now. And then we do the other way. So we're gonna crease it again, and we put one side inside of the other, and there we have it. But now we can see all the pockets. So let's decorate this. The first thing I'm gonna do is to okay, so it was like this. I'm opening it, and I'm gonna cut a notch here. So I use my circle punch for this. I grab a big one. Maybe this one is too big. It's gonna be okay. Just gonna do like a quarter of that circle. It's okay? Yeah, perfect. And I'm going to ink. Yeah, I'm gonna ink now this part only here, so that we can see that notch. And we're gonna ink more in a second. But now I want to put some washi tape. Maybe I need more because this is brown. I think I actually used black on my other so that it's more visible. And that's okay. This is my potting soil archival ink. So we're gonna add washi tape here and here. So you see how when we fold it like that, that part, you can see the fold. So we're gonna hide that. So when you open it, it's the part that it's on this side that we're gonna put some washi tape. I'm gonna use this floral washi tape and need my glue stick. I'm gonna add some extra glue. Oh no, it's almost gone. My glue stick is almost gone. I'm gonna use this one. Okay, I changed my glue stick. So I'm just gonna go and cut a little bit of my washi tape, add some extra glue, and I'm gonna do it almost touching the edge, but not fully. I mean, that's your personal decision. And so here, I'm not gonna cut it, I'm just gonna fold it to the other side, so we make it even easier for us. So I'm gonna show you like this. This is how it's gonna look now when you fold it. Look at that, so pretty. you can see you can see that the fold it's not even, but honestly it doesn't bother me. If you need to have even parts because that's what you like, then maybe you want to measure exactly how you're gonna do this, but I like it wonky. It's okay. And I always have such a hard time measuring stuff because I never measure correctly anyways. Even if I measure, I'm sure I'm gonna fold it wrong. So I just try not to put more stress than needed on myself. Okay, there we go. I love that washi tape. It looks great with that paper. So there and there. So then again, oh, I cannot open it because I put the washi tape. Remember to fold one side. We did the left side shorter than the other one. I guess you can also do the right side. Because this one it's kind of crooked, it's not straight. This is the side that I'm going to hide, and it's gonna go in here like that. Look at that. But we can also put some washi tape here. That's what I did with my other one. So let's do that. Let's put some washi tape that it's not gonna go close. I don't want to do this piece close to the fold because I wanted to show the paper as well so that it doesn't get confused with the other pocket. So basically the idea to do this is to differentiate the pockets. And let's see if I can fold this one, or I'm gonna have to cut it. Maybe I can fold it. No, I cannot fold it here because I need to have that open. So this one I'm gonna cut it. Oh no, I cut more than what I needed. That's what I'm telling you. I can't do things straight. Not even cutting. Okay, so there we go. So now we need this open and we put it in here. So to finish up, I'm gonna ink the rest. I'll show you where we're gonna ink. So when you open it, and you're going to ink all those folds so that they become more obvious in the side, to the side where we're gonna have the pockets, if that makes sense. Maybe I'm confusing you with my words, so just watch how I'm Today we have a sunny day. We haven't had like a nice spring day in such a long time, but I mean since the spring has started, I guess, but it's warm. I like the spring and the summer, but I don't like the heat. I like sunny days, warm days, but not too warm. Okay, so then we go in there, and now you have your 5 pocket or 6 pocket ready. Now you can always glue this part here, and I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna put a little bit of my art glitter glue because maybe you don't want your things falling off the bottom. So I'm adding glue there too, just a little bit. And now since I cut this by mistake, I have a hole in there. I'm gonna glue that little hole too. This is not part of the pocket. That was just my mistake. Okay, so I'm gonna try to ink a little bit more around all the edges. I think that's good. And let's see what we have. I'm gonna borrow this little tag. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and if you glue it like this, you'll have also 6 pockets So there you have it, a quick and easy way to make a pocket folding a piece of paper, and with a modification from what Cindy showed in her channel. So I'm gonna link her channel and her video down in the description box. And thank you again for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!